back. Hola mis amores, bienvenidos a mi canal. You already know what's good. It's Sum and welcome back to my channel. I have a new video for you guys today. I've been getting a lot of mentions, DMs, inboxes saying, where are you? Where have I been? What have I been doing? And the answer is lazy. But I wanted to do an in-depth tutorial on how I do like a basic everyday makeup tutorial, because a lot of people are like, oh, I want to be glam, but you know, I have the products, I just don't really have the knowledge, or I don't have the knowledge, or I have the knowledge, don't have the products, something in that region. So I wanted to film a tutorial that everyone could go by. Everyone could be glam. This could be someone's basic makeup look, like me, like an everyday look, or this can be really glam for some people, like prom, a date, whatever those are, because I don't go on those. Or you can go to the movies or anything like this. This could be like what you wear to school, what you wear to work, but you know, this is just like a basic everyday look. I used 2 shadows on my lids. I used a really natural pair of wispy lashes. I did my brows, skin's looking great, highlights looking great, lip gloss is looking great. So I'm feeling great, and I want you guys to feel great as well. So if you want to learn how to do this tutorial, then keep on watching. All of my social medias are in the description box, like they always are. All of my products that I use, the description box. Okay? So keep on watching, and I love you guys so much, and I promise I won't do a long break again. Okay, bye, keep watching. Hey love bugs, so I'm gonna get started, and this is just a lip mask that my friend gifted me. It's from Sephora. It's not really necessary, but it's really cute, and here I am trying to figure out how it works, and I'm like, is this necessary? Do I need this? I don't need this. But let's get started on these brows. I already do have a pre-filmed brow tutorial that is in depth, and I'm going to tag it and put it on the screen for you and in the description box below. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and fill my brows using the pomade that I always use by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Chocolate. I'm going to go ahead and do it with the flick of the wrist and make my eyebrows on fleek. This is the brush that I love using. It's the Real Techniques blending brush, and I use it for buffing my brows and the concealer after I'm done, so everything can be smooth, flawless, and photoshopped in person. I like everything exceptionally perfect because I don't want to be that girl that has bomb makeup only online. Let's get priming my face. This is a really important step for me. A lot of people don't know about this, but I'm using the Bahi skin primer, and you apply primer before your foundation just like you would a moisturizer all over until your skin's really soft and smooth. For my foundation today, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation for this video because I know that this foundation works on every skin type, and the color matching for this foundation is absolutely perfect. I always put it on the back of my hand, use my middle finger to spread it out and warm up the product, and then I distribute it evenly on my face and little patches, kind of like my old Throwback Thursday dot method that I used to do. Then I'm going to be taking a foundation brush, and I will be tagging a really good one for you guys below. I might be using different products in the video than I'm tagging. I just want to know, I want you to know that I'm using, you know, beginner friendly products for everybody. Okay, once your foundation is evenly distributed, I'm going to be starting with highlighting using concealer, and I'm going to do a 5-step process. So I start with under eye concealing, and this is hiding the bags and brightening the middle of the face. Then we have nose bridge, chin, and then forehead. And then to prep your eyes for eyeshadow, I also take the same concealer and put it on my eyelids just so I can cancel out the darkness and discoloration. To blend everything out, I'm going to be using a damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to keep pressing it into the skin until everything seems seamless and blended as it matches, like, you know, that chin section I did first. And I just go in the order from chin up, and then under eyes, and then eyelids to get my eyes ready for shadow. And I'm going to be taking a smaller brush to get into the details and crevices and everything, because like I said, I need my makeup as perfect in person as it is online. Okay, now time for the infamous baking. For baking, you're going to use a loose setting powder, and I use Queen Cosmetics Luxury Caramel one, and use my damp beauty blender and apply that powder and press it in to all of the areas that you put that concealer that you just did in the first 5 steps. So, you know, under eye, chin, nose, forehead. And, you know, then I'm taking a medium-sized powder brush and dusting off all the powder. I usually let it sit for like 20 seconds, honestly, not long, just to get my concealer set so it won't be creasing throughout the day. Because ain't nobody got time for that. And next I'm going to be bronzing. I'm not really contouring because that's not a thing I do every day, but bronzing is something I do. So basic bronzing is the cheekbones, so just squeeze your lips in and suck and do the suction, then bronze your cheekbones, then your hairline, and then if you want to be really professional with it, you can do your nose if you want. Next I take the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, and I use it as a powder finishing spray and setting spray, kind of like Max Fix Plus, but it works better for me. And you do this after all of your powder products so it can melt into the skin and you won't look ashy and dry. And then you can fan it and let it, you know, soak into the skin. Then this is the best step for highlighting, is after you spray your spray, because, you know, your skin kind of gets sticky looking, and you're going to highlight the tops of your cheekbones. Yes, darling, you look gorgeous in the tip of your nose and your Cupid's bow. And I love doing my Cupid's bow because when I do lipstick, it just looks so good. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Makeup Shayla and Colourpop collaboration with her Perception palette. And I love this palette because it has a lot of easy, everyday neutral shades. Also, guys, so a pro makeup artist tip for preventing the spread of germs is when you have too much product on your brush, like eyeshadow or powders or anything, to tap it on the edge of your palette, countertop, anything, rather than blowing excess product off the brush. And this helps prevent from the spreading of germs if you are thinking about getting into doing other people's makeup and, you know, clientele and all that cool stuff. So what I call this is windshield wiper motions, and this is what you use for your transition shade. And this is like the big daddy of all the colors you use for your lid. And a pro tip also is pat, 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 and then blend again, and this applies more color. The second color, you're just going to start on the inner third, the outer, and bring it right into like the middle of your eye where your pupil is, and that is a blend for you. Looking good. So the eyelid shade is a really cute rose gold shade. And the thing about eyeshadow, when you're doing the lid, you are patting on the lid versus the windshield wiper motion, like blending. So pat, pat, pat for the lid, and windshield wiper motion for everything else. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking this NYC white pencil eyeliner and putting in my waterline. And now it's time for lashes. This is about how much glue you should probably apply on your lashes. And while the glue is getting tacky and everything, I'm going to apply mascara and also put a little highlight in my tear ducts using this gold white shade. And just putting it right there in my tear ducts. I love this look because it like brightens and opens your eyes. Like, it just is so pretty. When applying lashes, you want to stick on the middle part first, and you feel the wetness of the glue touch your lashes, and then I hit the outer corner and get it stuck there, and then the inner corner. And I know you can't really see, but like if you imagine it, just know that inner corner, you know, grab it and then stick it, and then just keep playing around with it until it's like, you know, really secure. And then on this side I'm gonna do the same, stick it right there in the middle, then I'm gonna secure it. And this next few parts is pretty self-explanatory. It's just lining my lips with lip liner and then applying one of my favorite nude lipsticks, which you guys know is MAC Velvet Teddy. It's my go-to every day. Gonna repurchase until I die. And then I'm gonna add a top coat of e.l.f. lip gloss in Pink Cosmo on top. And that is all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got to learn a bunch of neat tricks and everything, and just, you know, playing with me. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I had really fun. I had a lot of fun getting it done for you guys. I know that you guys needed a tutorial for a natural, like, everyday beat. So you ask, I deliver majority of the time. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, all my social medias are down in the description box below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. And I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.